Hello everyone. In the second lecture of digital electronics, we are going to discuss about two more important laws of Boolean algebra. The first one is absorption law and the second one is redundancy law. Now let us prove one by one. If you will take two Boolean variables a and b, then absorption law of Boolean algebra states that a plus ab is equal to a and a dot a plus b is equal to a. Let us prove the first statement. If we will take a common, we have a dot 1 plus b. We know 1 plus b is always equal to 1 according to the annulment rule, which we have already discussed in our previous lecture. It can be written as a dot 1. Again, a dot 1 is always equal to a, which is an identity rule. And the final result is a, which is the RHS of the above statement. Similarly, the second statement can also be proved by applying distributive law of Boolean algebra. The statement can be written as a dot a plus a dot b. Again, a dot a is equal to a according to the idempotent rule. The statement will be a plus a dot b. Take a common, we have a dot 1 plus b. Again, 1 plus b is equal to 1, which is an annulment rule. So 1 plus b can be replaced with 1 and the statement will be a dot 1. Now a dot 1 is equal to a according to the identity rule. And the final result is a, RHS of the above statement. Now the first statement which we have proved is called or absorption law or absorption law of addition. And the second statement which we have proved is called and absorption law or absorption law of multiplication. Similarly, the second important law can also be proved. The law is redundancy law. It is also having the two statements. The first statement says that a plus a bar b is always equal to a plus b, and the second statement states that a dot a bar plus b is equal to ab. Now applying distributive law of Boolean algebra, the statement can be written as a plus a bar dot a plus b. Now again we know a plus a bar is always equal to 1, which is a complement rule. A plus a bar can be replaced with 1. The statement will be 1 dot a plus b. Now it can be written as 1 dot a plus 1 dot b, and we know it is an identity rule, and according to identity rule the result will be a plus b, RHS of the above statement. Similarly, the second statement can be proved as a dot a bar plus a dot b, which is a distributive law of Boolean algebra. Again, a dot a bar is always equal to 0, which is the complement rule. Replacing a dot a bar with 0, the statement will be 0 plus ab. Now 0 plus ab is always equal to ab, RHS of the statement. The first statement which we have proved is called redundancy law of addition or redundancy law, and the second statement which we have proved is called redundancy law of multiplication or and redundancy law. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.